बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। This is DIY craft videos signing in. And I am going to share with you a most stunning and most beautiful sewing craft ideas for you guys. These are very amazing. These are very unique. And super stunning. Handmade DIY sewing craft ideas. These are very pretty, very amazing, and fabulous. These are top trending and most beautiful sewing craft ideas for you guys. And if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications. These are very stunning, very beautiful, and top trending ideas for you guys. If you want different other craft videos, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. And you also watch different other craft videos on my channel. These are super easy and very unique and very classy looks of sewing craft for your home decor and for your storage. You guys must try at your homes, and you also watch DIY tutorials on YouTube about how to make these type of ideas. Always keep supporting my channel and always keep watching my videos. These are super incredible and top trending sewing ideas for you guys. Hope you like this video, and always think positive. Take care. Allah Hafiz guys.